I guess we'll have to start the fun without her. What can we do? Don't act like you don't know what I'm talking about. Mike, you're just gonna leave it at that.
Welcome back to I Will Never Be an Astronaut, where today I will be playing Woodbury Getaway, and I just found out that this game is actually based on real events, so that really ups the stakes. Let's get to it.
Yo, Hop, check that out. Should I give him that voice? Moe's Pizza. Okay. You know, Hop, I gotta tell you, these new GPS systems are something else. This pizzeria is exactly where it appeared on my GPS. It's like living in the future, Mike. I'm so hungry, I think I could eat the whole pizza myself. Me too, Mike. Alright then, Hop. Operation Pizza Pit Stop is a go. Prepare to land. Is this a good voice for Mike? Oh, thanks, Mike. Come on in, Hop. Thank you. Mike, are you ordering or just having a stare out with this dude? You guys know each other or something? What's happening here? This is I mean, this is uncomfortable even for you, Mike. Evening, folks. Looks like the cold's got everyone craving pizza tonight. You fine folks know what you want to eat? We'll get 3 slices each. I'll go with pepperoni, cheese, and a veggie. And for you, miss? Most special. Alright, what's your second slice? Pepperoni. The third? Veggie, please. Any drinks for you folks? That should cover us. Just the pizza today, thanks. Alright then. 6 hot slices coming right up. That'll be $22.50. Your order number is 27. Just grab a seat and we'll call you up when your pizza is ready. This is uncomfortable as well, Mike. It smells so good in here. Did you listen to Nora's voice message in the group? Yeah, I just saw. Looks like she'll be late. That's a bummer. I guess we'll have to start the fun without her. What can we do? Don't act like you don't know what I'm talking about. Mike, you're just gonna leave it at that. Order number 27. You folks are right here. Alright, you folks are all set. Consuming. Alright. Oh damn, this pizza slaps. Can't believe Nora is missing out on this bomb-ass pizza. I know, right? Oh, those eating noises are a bit much. Hey there, my friends. Hello there. I saw you all pulling driving that nice old truck. That's right. Not to be a bother or anything, but I was heading down the road myself. Seems like we might have been going the same direction. You all mind if I hitch a ride with you? Where are you headed? Just heading where the road takes me. I'm a bit of an adventurer, just hiking the trails and seeing the country. So what do you say? Care to give this free spirit a ride down that snowy road? Sure, you can come with us. Hold on a second. Don't you think we need to discuss this? Ooh, he's got a point. It's his car, to be fair. I just let it drift there. Sure, feel free to jump in. I'm not sure if we have extra space for another passenger. I'm sorry, I didn't think of that. Surely you can find just a little bit of room for me. I can ride in the middle. Hell, I'll ride in the bed. It's my friend's car. I'm sorry. You gotta be shitting me, lady. There's no space. I know there's a middle seat. You scared of me or something? You ain't too kind, are you? Unkind people meet unkindness themselves. Are you threatening us? No, no, no. Y'all got me all wrong. Sorry, I'm just cold and tired is all. Yeah, thanks. Alright, back to consuming my pizza like a robot. Consuming. Are you serious? How are you gonna let a stranger ride with us in the middle of nowhere? I was just trying to help. Yeah, well, sometimes helping can put you in a bad situation. He seemed harmless. You really never know these days. For all we know, he could have been another Ted Bundy, Hop. Damn, Hop. You actually eat the crust? I'd eat its higher if I was hungry enough. Fair enough. But eat someone else's tires. We've still got a bit of driving to do. Oh, right mouse button to burp. Yes, please. Yeah? What? What seems to be the problem? Alright. Oh. Mike, get out of the way. Jeez. Holy, that was good. Alright then, are you ready to hit the road? Maybe we can beat the worst of the snow. How close are we? Let's see. If my GPS is right, it should be about another hour. Why do I get to say give me the keys? Am I fucking robbing Mike? Yeah, I don't know why I said it even, Mike. Hop, the weather is awful. Why don't you drive part of the way home? I'm going to drive so you can take a break. I'm afraid of what kind of break you're gonna give me, Hop. You'll be afraid if you don't give me the keys. Whoa, I'm not saying that. Give me the keys so we can go. I feel like I'm the problem. Fine, but there's one condition. What is it? I get the first choice of bedrooms when, or if we get there. Deal. Take keys. Alright, so now we've got the hitcher to add to our creepy guys list. Come on, let's go. Alright. Oh, wow.
This is your host on WKW,
Whoa.
hometown station, bringing you the best tunes
Oh,
to warm
shit.
your hearts on this chilly
I am gonna
weekend.
crash.
As we embrace the first snowfall of the
Oh
season.
my god.
Here's a
I really
track
didn't think they'd
that'll
let me
make you
drive.
feel right in-
This is kind of cool. Oh god! Oh! Oh! I told you. Driving in the snow is no joke. Ooh. Whoa, we're going down here. This is cool. Am I going the right way?
Seems to light up my life. I'm connected to her heart like the moon and the tides. And besides, no one can take her up and out of my life. I think the words come together well, and that's no coincidence. It's strife for
I
my life
have no
and
idea if
my
I'm
heart,
going
so
in
I
the right
focus when
direction.
I type.
Oh, Woodbury.
Sunset dreams of the nights that I never knew. Heart feels warm, trees on the
And this should be it. I thought you were just gonna keep driving there. Oh. Aren't you gonna get your bag? Let me get it. Hey. Bingo, bango, ha-cha-cha, as Mike would say. What a great place. I knew we could count on you. It smells so nice in here. Right? But I really need to hit the John. Take your time, Mike. While I'm gone, can you put these groceries away? Should be enough space in the fridge. Sure. Why am I struggling so much? Okay. Oh, right mouse button to open. My god, I'm stupid. Nice. This can't be how you're meant to do it. No. This can't be correct. Come on, it really doesn't want to go in. This is painful. No. No. Yes. Okay. Alright. Oh, perfect. Oh. Wait. Hang on. Is that just where everything goes? Gee, what? What the fuck? Ah. After all that. Okay. Well. Nice. Oh my god. What? What is going on here? Oh! Mike. Phew. Sorry about that, Hop. Are you okay? Long drive and all that pizza really did a number on me. Well, all the groceries are put away. Thanks for handling that, Hop. Anyway, this place looks crazy nice. It's got that rustic charm you just don't see anymore. Yeah, it's cute. For sure. Hey, I really need to pee. I'll be right back. You can go ahead. I'll start unpacking our bags. Thanks. Alright, no one surprised me as I'm getting out of the toilet. The smell alone told me pizza had really done a number on Mike. Okay, there's no one hiding behind there. That's very dark over here. But it's fine. What's in here? No one. Good. Okay, cool. We're all good. Okay. This is the fridge all over again. There we go. What's gonna scare me? I feel like there's a jump scare again. Okay. Did I flush? There we go. Okay. Alright, I just look like a crazy person now. Alright, don't scare me as I come out. Please. I hate to admit it, but You feeling better after that drive? Much better now. So, ready to check out the place? Sounds good to me. After you. Mike. Why are we talking to each other through the door? Through the open door, that's weird. Alright, here we are. The living room is bigger than my apartment. Whoa, they've got tower stack. Oh, they've got Ouija. Nice. Oh, yeah, the mic. No one ever will play the Ouija board with me. Come on. Mike, I'm just gonna plonk this down just here, okay? We'll play it later. Let's check out the rest of the place. Oh, whoa, back garden's huge. Mike, personal space, buddy. Come on. Oh, this could be cool. Whoa. There's a stream? How is this place only $100 a night? This is wonderful. It's been a while since I went fishing, actually. Mike, you're scaring me with your dark silhouette like that. Me too. What, are we gonna do some fishing now? Nope. No fishing mini game for us.
Hey Mike, how are you enjoying the game so far?
I'm just glad all the driving's out of the way and we can get back to relaxing. Just the two of us.
I don't much like the sound of that, Mike. How long until Nora gets here?
If I'm honest, I forgot to check the group chat.
Subscribe so you can join us next week when we'll be playing with that Ouija board.
Hey Danny, I don't want to play with that Ouija board.
Don't be a pussy, Mike. Think of the views.
Oh, okay. Leave a like if you think I shouldn't have to play with that Ouija board.
Don't weaponize the likes like that, Mike. It just seems kind of desperate. Hope to see you next episode. I'm releasing episodes every Friday at 3 p.m. British Standard Time.
That's 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Thanks, Mike.
Hey, don't mention it.